Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to El Citrus Kitchen, my beautiful people. Welcome back to El Citrus Kitchen, and today we are making the garlic herb oil. This is a highly requested video that I've even gotten personal messages to do this tutorial in detail because I had a shot of this in a really like a 1-minute video when I did my fish smoky flavor. So I decided to update you guys with the detailed video of this garlic herb oil that I use on several dishes, and I use it on like salad dressing, or just when I grill some potatoes or something, I just put this garlic oil. It is so important for me and I use it in my kitchen all the time. So what I did was just to cut the head of the garlic, and I peel off the back skin of it, at least 2 layers off, and then I sprinkle with some oil, and now I'm folding it on the foil paper to grill it in the either in your air fryer or in your oven. Anyone that is more available to you, you can use. I decided not to turn on my oven for just this garlic, so I tried it on the air fryer. I've never done it in the air fryer. This is the first time, but it came out just the right way because the air fryer is just like a little oven, I will call it. So here we are. We have our garlic is grilled already and it's really soft at this point. So all I'm doing is just pressing out to get the garlic out of its shells. So here next, what I'm going to do is just to mash my garlic to not really like smooth, but just to mash it, not to be big lumps. And after I'm done with that, and what I'm doing here is a double boiler method, that is adding my heat resistant bowl into another pot that has boiling water inside, and I'm adding my olive oil, and I also adding sesame oil. Sesame oil is an option of a second base oil that I use, that I just like because it's a lightweight. And I added my crushed garlic and some crushed peppers, some oregano and Italian seasoning, some salt. It's a seasoning salt, and I added some dry thyme. This time I bought it fresh. It's been sitting in my fridge for some time. I haven't finished it, so it become dry. So I just use it in the mixture. So after some minutes, I see my garlic has really settled in the oils, and I've seen my herbs are also settled in the oil. So I decided to cut the thyme into tiny little pieces with my kitchen scissors because it was a big chunk that I just added into the oils. So at this point, I'm just pouring my oil into my airtight container, and this oil can sit over the counter for, I believe, I haven't tested how long it has been sitting on the counter, but I hardly put it in the fridge because the garlic was already grilled and there was no water mixture in the mixture, so this can stay longer. And for this oil, I love it so much with so many different things. So immediately after finishing my oil, the first recipe I did with it was this smoky grilled mackerel fish. It's on my channel. I recently just uploaded it. So if you're interested on this, I'm going to be putting the link under the description so you can go and watch how you can make your grilled smoky fish at home in your own oven. And one of the most important ingredient in this smoky fish is this oil that I just made, the garlic herb oil. So I am just showing you what I did with the oil after I made it, and you can serve this oil with salad, with bread, with you can cook with it, you can You can use this different way, you know, any food item that you don't need to fry the oil to add on, you can just add this oil on top. And this is the end result of that fish that we smoked and we grilled in the oven. So the recipe for the fish is on my channel, and I also made a sauce with the same oil and with the same fish that I made. So all this, the sauce and the fish, is under the fish recipe. I added the sauce recipe to there. So I'm just showing you several ways I'm using my oil. That is how much I love it, and it gives a lot of aroma and taste to my food. So my beautiful people, thank you so much for requesting me to give you a little video of this oil recipe. And if you are new here, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always coming through, and I will see you on the next video.